Get comfortable. How is this for scary? You are just as likely to deal with hair loss as the men in your life. In fact, by age 50, up to half of you will experience thinning hair. Now, I'm not talking about full-blown balding, but more subtle thinning, like the part getting a little wider, your scalp showing through. So today, I've got the thinning hair breakthroughs and instant hair makeovers so you can say goodbye to thinning for good.
Hi, Dr. Oz. My name's Marcy. I have hair that is broken off around my hairline and at the nape of my neck from years of dyeing and wearing my hair in a tight ponytail.
My name is Denise, and I have a really bad thinning hair. It's always breaking right here at the part. It's really embarrassing and frustrating.
Hi, Dr. Oz. My name's Lisa. My hair is damaged and breaking all over, especially on the ends. What can I do?
To solve these classic thinning hair dilemmas, I've enlisted celebrity hairstylist Sally Hershberger and natural hair expert Curly Nikki Walton. They've done the research, and they've got the latest discoveries, the instant fixes, and the styling tricks professionals use to repair and restore your thinning hair. The hair dream team, Sally and Curly Nikki, are both here, so no matter what type of hair texture, hair type, doesn't matter. Nikki, we seem to have a lot of women who are losing hair. Why is that?
Yes. Two reasons. One, the things that we do on a daily basis in the name of beauty. I'm talking like excessive washing, often with shampoos that contain sulfates, excessive heat styling, abusing blow dryers, flat irons. Also pulling our hair back into that same tired ponytail, the same bun. I do it too, but over time it causes thinning. Also hormones. As we age, our hair thins. It is what it is, and we have to adjust to this new normal. But there are things that we can do in the short term to make our hair appear thicker, and things that we can do in the long term to actually maintain the hair that we have and promote healthy hair growth.
I'm excited about this. Now, Sally, before you go to teach everyone about this, you argue there are ways we can style our hair, cut our hair, making even the thinnest appearing hair look robust and full.
Exactly. I mean, it's so key how you cut it. You can just make it look blunter and put layers in, and it will make you look 10 years younger like that. Seriously. And just putting layers through the top adds youth and volume. That's key, because a lot of women just let it fall straight down, and that's aging. It's going down.
I'm going to share it all with you. Before the show, Sally sat down with her team of stylists, and the three women we just met earlier in that tape each had a different thinning hair complaint. So they're all over here. They're ready to reveal their looks for the very first time. Let's get to the very first breakthrough and transformation. It has to do with a prepoo. How many have heard of prepoos before? Nobody.
Oh, my God.
One guy in the back, he doesn't know what he's saying. Put your hand down, sir. They'll get a camera on you like that. All right, Nikki, what is a prepoo, which I've never heard of before, and why is it so effective? Why is it especially for people with thinning hair?
So a pre-shampoo treatment, or a prepoo that we call it, actually protects the hair strands with a layer of oil to keep the strands from absorbing so much water. That way you see less damage. If you do this at every single wash, you will see healthy hair. I mean, everybody, do this. It's just necessary. You just apply it to your dry hair 15 to 30 minutes before you get into the shower. Hop in, do all of your normal wash day rituals, and that's it.
And what are the oils that you need to use? Do you have to match them to your hair type?
I'd recommend coconut oil for the finest hair because it's lighter. For textures that are a little bit more substantial, thicker strands, I'd recommend amla oil. With amla oil, though, you want to make sure that you go to a health food store, actually, to make sure that you're actually getting amla oil. Finally, castor oil for
Castor oil?
Yes, for the thickest textures.
You're being naughty.
Castor oil is amazing for the coarser textures. I actually like to mix castor oil and coconut oil for my hair.
Well, let's find out. We have Marcy here. Now, you may recall Marcy. She was complaining about thinning. How are you, Marcy?
I'm fine. How are
thinning
you?
and breaking down around the crown. So you had a prepoo just before you came out here, and she's going to get a brand new style as well. She's going to show off to us. Now, Marcy, you've not looked yourself in the mirror, have you?
No.
Okay. Well, Nikki is our mirror bearer. Are you ready, everybody? Take a look. I want an honest opinion.
Wow.
What do you think?
Wow.
What do you think?
I love it.
You like that?
What do you think? Yeah.
I think you look beautiful before,
Thank
too,
you.
but that's really a stunning difference.
Well, thank you.
Wow.
Fabulous.
Sally, besides the prepoo, which I got to say, it's done wonders for our guests, what else have you done?
Well, what I did was cut around the hairline, because you could see in the before all the breakage, so that softens it, and also by pulling the front down like that, softens the whole breakage through there, and just cut the bottom. And then what's key is how to use a round brush. Most people just go round like this, which makes it flat. You want to start at the crown and lift it straight up and dry it. Pull everything up, even like when you're going through here, pull it this way, up. And then you bring in volume. And one last great trick, go upside down and you just spray it. And then again, you come up and it's like twice as thick. We do that on photo shoot.
What do you think, Marcy?
I like it.
I like these photo shoot tips. They do work
Yeah.
beautifully.
Yes, they do.
Congratulations.
Thank
Enjoy
you.
the hair.
Thank
Let's get
you.
to the next breakthrough. It has to do with color powder. Now, Denny, if you remember, was complaining about thinning at the part. Now, this is her before picture. Let's get it up there. And Sally worked backstage, but has not done anything else. Just got the ball rolling. The rest of the transformation will happen right on the set here. It's instant. Are you ready? Roll you around. All right, take it away. Now, the first tip is color powder. Why is this so important?
Color powder is absolutely amazing. What you have to do is find one that actually matches your hair, your natural hair color, and it will absorb excess oils to give you instant thickness, but it also binds to your hair fibers and the thinning parts and actually like hides the bald spots. Like, it's amazing.
See, like wherever you see it, a little balding, which is not a word.
Can you all see right here? You have to do that again if you
Yeah,
don't mind.
they'll
It's
do a new
remarkable.
section. Check how white that is, right? And it's key you get the right color. I like to just spray it on very lightly and use my finger through there.
It's awesome too, Sally, right? Because it'll hide your grays until you can get
Yeah.
back to the salon.
And it gives you body.
Yeah.
I've been picking up all these tips today.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you're gonna
Do
have
I need
major
do I
hairstyle.
need any? Look at that. Do I need some of that stuff?
Well, you could change your part a little bit. Like just go like this, run your hands through your hair.
Like
and
that?
then, exactly, it already looks fuller,
Yes,
right?
it does. It totally does.
It's sexier.
Like wind
What do
blowing.
you think?
It looks great.
You go like this.
I mean, hello, that already looks thicker and more modern.
All right, guys, I love this.
Youthful.
I love this thing. You look wonderful.
Thank you.
But I want to, if you don't mind, get into the cutting
Yeah,
issue, because
yeah.
what I did notice just looking at the images, and I've been learning about this just as we were doing this segment, is this has a little bit of a benefit. Is it okay?
Sure.
All right.
Okay,
Where's the
cool.
mirror, by the way?
Right here, I was waiting
You ready?
for-
Oh no, wait,
I think
good.
wait till after we cut
Okay,
the things.
go
ahead.
Okay, so this is so amazing when you have thinnish hair around the front, as you guys can see right here. Okay, in 2 minutes, I'm just gonna go right below the eyebrow, like that, and bam, and then you just zhuzh it like this, and you instantly,
Instant
look,
volume. Ready?
Yeah, here's the mirror now. I mean, that didn't take very
Oh
long to
my
do.
No, that's
What have you done here? What do you think?
Yeah. I like
Is that
it.
pretty cool?
That's great.
Fabulous.
I mean, you instantly have volume right in the front.
That looks great.
And that just
Does
made
it
you
look-
look 5 years.
It's a big
maybe 10.
difference for a few minutes of
Doesn't
effort.
even
Yeah.
look like I'm bald anymore.
Right?
Yes.
Look, you
Doesn't
have
look
no
like you're
more
exactly right.
white in here.
Yeah.
And you have fullness. It immediately just lifted your hair.
Because I hear people say this all the time. You say, it doesn't look like I'm bald anymore. This is important. Women lose their hair, but they actually don't go really bald. It thins out. I know you panic that it's going to happen. These tips are the little things you can do to make it look so good, they won't matter that you lost a little bit of hair.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
good.
Remember, half of the women who can hear my voice are having this issue.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. But you're not going the bald the way we would go bald.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, no, you're not
Yeah.
going bald at all.
One day, my turn will come too. All right, let's get to the third transformation.
Just seen your
This is
before.
a
Yeah,
nighttime
it's
hair routine. So, Nikki, what's the routine to do at night if you've got problems with your hair?
Yes, so every woman has a nightly skin regimen, but most don't have nightly hair care regimens. And if you incorporate this simple thing into your day, you will see fuller, thicker, shinier, healthier hair over time. My hair care regimen.
Before you give it to us, let me ask Lisa if you don't mind. Because, Lisa, did you hear that about the nighttime regimen?
Yes.
Do you have something you do for your skin usually?
My skin?
Yes.
Yes.
You do something for your hair at night?
Yes, I put it in a ponytail.
You put it in a ponytail.
No.
What kind of ponytail?
What kind of ponytail?
Eye up in my head just to get it off my neck.
Is that a regimen?
So my recommendation, now I will tell you why ponytails, the typical ponytail is a bad idea. But first I'm gonna give you my tips and we'll talk about that. So for the first step, scalp massage with your fingers. You will do this for up to 5 minutes every single night. And where there is stimulation, there is blood flow. Where there is blood flow, there is growth. So this step, if you don't do anything else, is absolutely essential for promoting healthy hair growth over time. Second, I highly recommend that you sleep in a high, loose ponytail. I never use like a typical like rubber band or ponytail holder. I use a scrunchie so that it won't leave a dent. And I gather all of my hair at the very top of my head, and it looks like a pineapple, and that's why we call it the pineapple. And when you let it down in the morning, your hair has like crazy volume, like more volume than you'd get from a root lift spray or even, using a blow dryer. Either that, or if you want texture, you can braid your hair in 1 or 2 braids and get effortless waves without having to use damaging heat. Finally, satin. Like, throw all of your cotton pillowcases out. It's wicking all of the moisture, all of the oils from your hair. You need to get a satin pillowcase or a satin scarf or bonnet. And again, if you do this consistently every night, your hair will be fabulous.
All right, so Lisa's under the dryer, having made the faux pas of admitting that she puts her hair up in a ponytail.
Right.
So you ready for the transformation?
I think
You had all
so.
those broken ends you're worried about.
Yes.
They worked hard, but not for very long in order to get this result.
Oh, wow.
What do you think?
Really
So
healthy.
Sally, what's Sally's technique? Do you like that, by the way? Pretty cool. Sally, what did you do to
That's
fix that?
unbelievable. Well, you can see in the picture all the split ends and dead ends. So what we did was just cut the bottom and then throw in some layers around the face. So now you have movable, sexy. Your hair looks so thick now. That's unbelievable.
I mean, that's
Just
a crazy transformation.
Right? Just from framing around here. And again, what's key is using the right product, something that's going to give it volume, and use the round brush the opposite way you would think, by taking it up. And then it comes down.
These are unbelievable transformations. Do you do them for men too?
Oh, yeah. I do a ton of men that you know.
Love having you here. Thank you very much. Fantastic work.
Thank you.
All my guests were great. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.